Hello everyone, this is Michael from BlueSkyBio. In this short video, I'm going to review the free gift offers for the holiday season for 2023. In addition, I'll review quickly as well the Cyber Monday offers, as those are still valid and you could still take advantage of those to save hundreds of dollars. Before we do that, I would like to truly wish the extended BlueSkyBio family, you and yours, a very happy holiday season. We should all have a productive, successful, and most important, a healthy and peaceful year ahead. Okay, so you've probably received an email, Happy Holidays, from BlueSkyBio that went directly into your inbox. And I'm just going to quickly go through the holiday offers, the holiday gifts that we're giving out for the holiday season. So first one is dental students. Dental students can click on the button right here, complete the form that comes up on screen, and we're giving each dental student, anybody with a .edu email address, 6 free exports that can be used, of course, in any of our modules. So surgical guides is 1 export credit, an aligner case is 1 export credit, a denture is actually half an export credit. Of course, we have lots of functionality that is completely free within the software, but dental students can get 6 free exports just by clicking on the button Dental Student Get Free Exports Now and completing the information there. If you're not a dental student, you could still get discounts and free exports. Click on Save on Export Credits Now. That's going to take you to our Cyber Monday offers, which I'll get to in just a minute, how you could get free exports when buying export packages. Okay, so that's our first offer. That was for dental students to get free exports. Next, we are offering free exports to anybody doing aligner digital planning that is new to the BlueSkyPlan software. We definitely want to encourage anyone doing digital aligner, digital tooth setup to try out the BlueSkyPlan ortho module. It's an AI-driven advanced aligner software. You could export all models and aligners for 1 export credit for a complete case. It has automatic annotation and segmentation, root-based aligner treatment, which is the automatic CT tooth and bone segmentation from a CT scan if you choose to do so, and of course direct aligner design and much more. You can learn all about this at BlueSkyLiners.com. Also included there is additional information regarding our aligner solutions. If you're not yet familiar with BlueSkyLiners.com, go ahead and check that out as well. And anybody that's interested in trying out the BlueSky aligner software functionality that has not yet done so, simply click on Apply for Free Aligner Exports Now, complete the short form, and we will credit your account with 6 aligner cases. Again, that's for the full case. Export all the relevant models and aligners. You could go ahead and click on any of the banners to learn more. Now, we actually have 2 offers here that are ongoing offers for free surgical guides and for free crowns. You could click on the banners to learn more information, but for the free surgical guides, that includes the free clinical digital design and includes the actual manufacturing of surgical guides for 1 implant cases. Free crown offer, we will design and send you a free crown. Yes, we will actually design and send you a free crown. You could click on the banner and the button to learn more about that. If you continue scrolling down, we have a nice moving GIF here and a button to download the BlueSkyPlan software. If you haven't yet done so for whatever reason, go ahead and download and install, get started at no costs. We throw in some free cases to new users as well. So click on the button and go ahead and download that. We've been running as part of our BlueSky Cyber Monday offers a discount on the dual use sinus lift kit. If you're not yet familiar with that, go ahead and click and you'll get more information. And I'll scroll down to the Cyber Monday offers. So you could access any of our past newsletters via blueskyplan.com/updates. So here we have information on the sinus lift kit. And again, the Cyber Monday deals, you could click on them. The Cyber Monday deals are active until the end of 2023. So go ahead and quickly take a look at them and take advantage of them. If relevant, you could save hundreds of dollars. So the first offer that we have here is discounts on our starter packages for all of our implant systems. We have the discount on the Crestal Sinus Lift Kit as well. And then we have the BlueSkyPlan offers, as I mentioned previously. So we are offering additional free cases. If you buy a 50 export package, you get an additional 6 free exports And if you buy 100 exports, then you get an additional 12 export credits. So just click on the button. You'll be prompted to sign into your BlueSkyBio account. You go ahead and sign in, make the purchase, and after you make the purchase, we will go ahead and apply the additional free export credits. And finally, for the last Cyber Monday offer is via Lab Pronto. You could order a complete aligner package. Includes the clinical digital aligner tooth setup, includes the manufacturing of the aligners as well. Currently, you could place the order with a coupon code and receive an additional 10% discount. As is, the prices I think are phenomenal prices. $4.99 for the complete aligner package for up to 24 total aligners, and it doesn't matter how it's divided between the mandible and the maxilla. And then we have the $7.99 for the larger aligner cases. Again, it doesn't matter how the number of aligners is divided between the upper and lower jaw. Please take advantage of our holiday offers and the Cyber Monday offer. You could, of course, go to BlueSkyPlan.com/updates to see our recent past newsletters as well, to take advantage and to see other information about recent updates and offers.